By looking at Cloud Elements, it basically gave us a toolbox where we can go into those conversations knowing that if there's an element that fits this, we might not have used it before, but we know that it works exactly the same way as all the other elements. So we know we have a predictable time frame for how long it's going to take us to go in and do this new integration that works in a way that we haven't done before. The main part of our business is to provide mobile apps for events where attendees will use the app during the event, and they'll use it for things like rating a session, rating a speaker. They'll go through an agenda and mark the things they like, the things they are interested in going to, but also just the signals of what they look at in the event. It tells you a lot about what topics, what products they're interested in. So what our customers typically want to do to get value from using our platform is take all of those signals, both as they're happening and also after the event, and push them into their systems of records. The really interesting problem for them is, can we get those signals in as they happen in a flow that works with how we're already thinking about our marketing flow? And in the past, what we had to do was look at what integrations do we have already and know those when we went into the conversation with these customers. And so we would have to evaluate our timelines based on, well, we haven't done this before, we have done this, but it wasn't quite the same. Our conversations with our customers changed from, here's what we do already, to how do you guys work? What can we do to make your flow work seamlessly with our platform and with the systems on the other side of our platform? What we liked about Cloud Elements was that Cloud Elements takes the responsibility of getting one integration to work really well and maintaining that, and they take that on their side. So we know that as long as they have Salesforce in their set of offerings, it doesn't matter to us what Salesforce might go and do to change their platform, change their APIs. We don't have to worry about deprecation of previous APIs. We just know that if we standardize against how Cloud Elements have it, it'll continue working through all of that. And so for me, that reduced risk a lot in a way that the competitors that we were looking at weren't. We've been really happy with Cloud Elements. We're still very early on in our journey, but when we went in and finally made the decision and said, we have to do this right now, it was because we had 3 specific customer cases, 3 to 4 week deadline. Not only was it a really great experience working with Cloud Elements to find a deal structure that worked both for them and us, but we were also able to actually hit those through the support of the sales team at Cloud Elements and the engineering team at Cloud Elements, and we got those initial customers out within the time frame that we needed.